Follow these steps to turn on or off screen time on iPhone. Let's get in. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Screen Time. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find the option of Lock Screen Time Settings. Click on that. Now go ahead and set a screen time passcode. Re-enter screen time passcode. Now here you will need to type in your Apple ID or the phone number. Once you type in, click on OK. Now type in your Apple ID's password. Once you are done, click on OK. With that, you have just set off screen time passcode. In case you want to turn it off, click on the option Change Screen Time Passcode. Click on the option Turn off Screen Time Passcode. You will be prompted to enter your screen time passcode again. Once you type in that, it will be turned off. So this is how you can easily turn on or turn off screen time on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.